Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I decided to show some of the Polygel gel mixes that I made. So I used my Modelones Polygel and just some glitter mixes that I had already made. So this is iridescent light blue shimmer. And then this is a cherry red, nude brown. I gotta tape the little things back on there that I used. What I used? I used some pigments that I had to make these. And this is a yellow orange. And then the light blue. This is actually my favorite. And then this is a pale yellow. I have this hot pink one that I made. I named this Cinderella. And then this is a golden yellow that you can tell. It's a shimmer with mini gold reflexes. And this is like a true brown with a little mini gold shimmer. This is a lilac. This is just one that I made. It's like this one. It has glitter. And then light pink. This is like a periwinkle. Is like purple mauve, but it's showing up pink. And then I got some rhinestone glue. And this is the second one. So this is, oops. This is like a black with like a blue teal shimmer to it. So I basically took that and mixed it with black. And then this is like glitter. This is actually my favorite. It's a red. And then this is just a clear. So I used a gel polish with this, and it's not doing it justice. And then I made this out of a glitter mix I made. It's like pinks and purples. And then this one is like a rose gold. It's like a little bit of pink, a little bit of purple, gold base. So this is what I used. The Mica Beauty Harlequin number 34, and it just looks like that. So I used this. So I used a lot of these in it. So thanks for watching. Bye.